Good afternoon, George Cavaligos for Naked Trader. Kind of a tough day today to trade. 10 years only had a 9.5 tick range in the day session here. It's not a lot of oomph for us day traders to really get much involved. Volumes were pretty light too. I guess a Monday with no economic data, a lot of headline stories overnight, but not a lot of follow through. We'll have to keep plugging away here, obviously. Market did close towards its highs. We keep poking around these slightly higher high type trades here. I think the market's still in some kind of a correction here, and it still feels like it might want to go a little bit higher, but don't fall in love with a position here is what I'm trying to say, I think. This morning we saw the market trade up and take out the 120.28 level by a couple ticks, and then sell off very quickly, put in the morning lows, and then just sort of spent the rest of the day grinding higher. One of my customers said it doesn't really pay to be too short in the day and age of QE2. Maybe he's right. We'll see. I think a lot of the selling that we saw over the last couple months in the treasuries is sort of a vote against QE2, but that's my opinion. We'll see. Tomorrow we start the auctions, the 3-year auction tomorrow. It should go pretty well. I think the short end has seen pretty good demand. The Eurodollar's traded up after kind of a panicky little sell-off after the higher high this morning. They've been grinding higher all day. Looking at that red March chart, we've got these old highs up at like 99.08 to 09. I think we are going to grind up towards that level into probably the 10-year auction on Wednesday. That's where things are going to get interesting, I think, Wednesday and Thursday with the 10-year and the 30-year auctions, and see how those trades go. We also have some auctions over in Europe. Portugal has got an important debt auction coming up middle of the latter part of the week. A lot of nervousness about those types of things too. No real outright signals here. I guess a little friendly is the way to look here, but boy, I keep the stop tight and I'm quick to pull the trigger on new highs, and just trying to sneak a few ticks out of the market here and there is about all you can look for right now. Latter part of the week too, besides the auctions on Thursday and Friday, we have some more important economic data, so kind of just keeping a real short-term view. Bunt singles, back to that kind of analogy, the hitting for average, not looking for the home run here right now is the way to go. We'll take a look at the volumes and open interest in the morning. We'll get the emails up there if we see anything of note. Have a great night. See you tomorrow.